online side hustle to make $15,000 every month. Hello and welcome to another episode of Finance Director, where we discuss ways to increase your income. We'll be delving into the fascinating world of online side businesses on today's episode. You're in the perfect place if you want to earn an extra $15,000 each month. We'll talk about a variety of internet side businesses that could bring in a sizable sum of money. So let's get going and investigate these profitable opportunities. E-commerce and dropshipping are our first internet side business with the potential to earn $15,000 a month. Starting an online store has been easier and more lucrative as online buying has grown. Let's explore this wonderful prospect in more detail. You must first decide on a market segment or product category for your online business. To identify a lucrative niche that fits with your interests or area of expertise, research popular items, trends, and market demands. This step is extremely important since it defines the visibility and sustainability of your business. Finding trustworthy sources for your items is the next step after determining your specialty. You can partner with suppliers who manage inventory and shipping through dropshipping, which frees you up from worrying about storage and fulfillment. Choose vendors who have a history of producing high-quality goods and offering on-time delivery. Platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce make it relatively simple to set up an online store. These platforms offer intuitive user interfaces and editable templates that enable you to build a shop that is visually appealing and appears professional. Consider things like branding, product descriptions, and high-quality product photos while designing your store. These components aid in developing potential clients' trust and motivate them to make purchases. The success of your e-commerce firm depends heavily on marketing and advertising. To reach your target audience, make use of a variety of platforms, including social media, SEO, and email marketing. To increase traffic to your store, interact with potential consumers, producing interesting content, and run targeted advertising campaigns. Utilizing social media sites like Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok to promote your items is a successful tactic. Working together with influencers who are well known in your area can greatly increase your exposure and draw in new clients. Additionally, think about putting ideas into action like discounts, time-limited promotions, or referral bonuses. These strategies can engender a sense of urgency and motivate clients to act. Customer support is essential in the world of online shopping. Give your consumers top-notch service by responding to their questions or complaints right away. This degree of individualized care can significantly increase client loyalty, lead to favorable evaluations, and encourage word-of-mouth recommendations. Maintain a constant state of strategy analysis and optimization as your e-commerce firm expands. To find opportunities for improvement, keep an eye on data like conversion rates, average order value, and client acquisition costs. To determine which marketing initiatives, price plans, and product selections your target market responds to best, experiment with a variety. Scaling your e-commerce company is another crucial factor. Explore options to broaden your product line. Investigate new markets, or even create your own brand as you build traction and see consistent sales. Scaling enables you to boost your revenue potential and get closer to your monthly income target of $15,000. Keep in mind that successful dropshipping and e-commerce involve a blend of strategic planning, efficient marketing, and ongoing learning. To stay ahead of the competition, keep up with the market trends, consumer preferences, and developing technologies. Freelancing and providing remote services is the next online side business we'll look at. With a potential income of $15,000 per month, you can use your special talent or area of specialty, such as graphic design, writing, programming, or marketing, to make a good living. Let's learn more about this wonderful chance. You can operate independently as a freelancer and work with clients from all over the world. Freelancers and clients looking for specialized skills or services are connected by platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr. These websites offer a simple and accessible way to advertise your skills and obtain paying jobs. Create an appealing profile that shows your abilities, background, and portfolio to get started. To show potential clients your expertise, be sure to provide samples of your work. It's crucial to highlight your distinctive value proposition and differentiate yourself from the competitors. As soon as your profile is created, you can begin submitting bids on pertinent projects or replying to job posts that suit your qualifications. Customize your proposals for each project, showcasing your knowledge of clients' needs and how you can satisfy them. Your chances of landing projects grow with this unique strategy. You can progressively raise your charges as you develop expertise and receive glowing testimonials from pleased customers. Higher quality clientele and projects are frequently ready to pay more for excellent services. Opening doors to higher paying prospects is the result of developing a solid reputation as a trustworthy and competent freelancer. Furthermore, think about providing remote services on a retainer basis. This enables you to work with clients continuously and generate a reliable monthly revenue. The demand for and potential profitability of services like virtual support, social media management, content development, and website maintenance are strong. Leverage your web presence and develop a powerful personal brand to draw in customers. Make a professional website or portfolio to display your accomplishments and knowledge. To interact with potential customers, make use of social media platforms, business networking websites like LinkedIn, and online communities relevant to your sector. In freelancing, time management and clear communication are essential. With relation to project deliverables, timetables, and communication methods, establish clear expectations with your clients. Maintain open channels of communication throughout the project's duration and respond to questions promptly. You can easily earn more than $15,000 a month by putting time and effort into your remote services and freelance work. Freelancing, it should be noted, necessitates self-discipline, the capacity to manage numerous clients and tasks concurrently, and the willingness to adjust to shifting client demands. Freelancing may be a fulfilling and lucrative online side gig with the correct talents, a proactive approach, and a commitment to quality. Another internet side business with the potential to earn a sizable income is creating and selling online courses. Consider creating an online course and selling it to a large audience if you have specialized knowledge or skill in a particular industry. Choose a subject that interests you, about which you are informed and enthusiastic, and that has a market. Dissect the course into modules or classes and produce captivating presentations, videos, and supplemental materials. You may host and sell your online courses on websites like Udemy, Teachable, and Thinkific, which offer a user-friendly interface. Promote your course through social media, email marketing, and partnerships with websites or influencers in your field. You can draw in a lot of students and make a lot of money with good marketing and a top-notch course. Offering extra resources like private coaching or privileged membership access can boost your income. Affiliate marketing and sponsored content will be our final side business for making the $15,000 per month goal. You can monetize your audience by promoting goods or services if you have a significant online presence across blogs, social media, and YouTube. Let's explore the worlds of sponsored content and affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing entails joining forces with businesses or brands. For each purchase made or action taken because of your special affiliate link, you are paid a commission. This link keeps track of the website visitors you send our way and makes sure you get credit for them. Find products or services that fit with your niche or target market before you begin affiliate marketing. Select reliable affiliate networks that provide a wide selection of products across numerous categories, such as Amazon Associates, Commission Junction, and Share a Sale. After signing up for an affiliate program, thoughtfully incorporate affiliate links into your material. Whether you're writing a blog article, a social media piece, or a video, only endorse goods and services you know your audience will find valuable. To keep your audience's confidence, be open and honest about your affiliate agreements. Focus on producing top-notch content that informs, amuses, or helps your audience in order to increase your affiliate marketing earnings. Offer frank and thorough product evaluations, comparison charts, or how-to articles that highlight the advantages of the goods or services you're promoting. Your ability to negotiate for sponsored content gets stronger as your audience expands. You can obtain long-term collaborations with brands or command larger prices. To keep your audience's trust and interest, it's essential to find a balance between sponsored and organic content. Always keep in mind that developing an effective affiliate marketing and sponsored content plan requires commitment and time. Put your attention on providing your audience with value, developing trusting connections with brands, and continually producing interesting and genuine content. You may make a significant amount of money and move closer to attaining your goal of making $15,000 per month by strategically integrating affiliate marketing and sponsored content into your online presence. We've looked at several internet side businesses that may earn you $15,000 a month. These opportunities, whether they involve dropshipping and e-commerce, remote work and freelancing, the development of online courses, or affiliate marketing and sponsored content, can give you the flexibility and financial freedom you want. Why then wait? By starting one of these online side businesses now, you may begin your path to financial freedom. We appreciate your participation as Finance Director. Don't forget to hit the notification button, like and subscribe to receive updates on our newest episodes. Keep inspired, keep on task, and may your internet endeavors bring you the monetary success you so well deserve. Until next time.